Oh yes. I have a question to tell you. Or is it a square joke? Nah. We'll find out. And I tell you this. What do ghosts use to phone home? A terror phone. Terror phone. Now, what is a blonde doing when she holds her hands tightly over her ears? She's trying to hold on to the thought. And then I might become like this and tell you these jokes. What birds are found in Portugal? What birds are found in Portugal? Portuguese. Portuguese. Get it? Portuguese. Geese. Now, what did the sardine call the submarine? A can of people. Ah, yes. You sardine folks out there. Now, the doctor goes, "Good news. You passed your hearing test." And the patient said, "Huh?" Now, as I continue on, I'm thinking, what would be the next joke to tell you? And it goes, what's the difference between a hunter and a fisherman? A hunter lies in wait. A fisherman waits and lies. Oh.